Okay, the time is now 1:57 p.m. It's been an hour and 20 minutes approximately that we've been running with the generator. We show 100%, but we're still only at 49.2 volts. Now, with everything active, the lights are on, the inverter is operating and producing electricity. I want to turn off the input AC to essentially disconnect the generator, and instantly we lose power. We're not doing anything off of the batteries. Turn it back on. We get a fault free, and we're going to have to restart the inverter to get power. And we still have this consistent beep a couple times a second. Batteries now show 81%, still 49.2 volts. We're beeping constantly with no error code. And it does this most of the time. Occasionally I'll turn it off and restart it, and it won't do the beeping. But most of the time it beeps non-stop if it is on. So there is definitely a fault in this inverter. I can't use my batteries at all. I can't charge my batteries. The inverter is basically useless. I can only work off of a generator.